Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to your English grammar classes. Let us start today, chapter 5, talking about the future. Future tense has 4 categories: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Topic for today is simple future. The simple future has 2 different forms in English: will and be going to. Although the 2 forms can sometimes be used interchangeably, they often express 2 very different meanings. Then we will use will. I will probably go to Italy next summer. And by using am going to, I am going to fly to Italy next Saturday. In simple words, future tense or simple future tense can be expressed by will or by using going to. Now, formation of sentences with will in simple future tense. Will plus first form of verb. Examples: I will help him later. Now, uses of will. Number 1, instant decisions. For example, okay, I will see you on Friday. Here, decision is taken instantly. Then, prediction based in what we think. The example is, it will rain in the evening. It is a prediction. And then, will is used for promises and offers. For example, don't worry, I will go and buy some food for you. So, it is a promise. Another examples are, I have a nice dress. I will go to the party tonight. Then, I promise I will bring the book tomorrow. Now, formation of sentences with going to in simple future. That is, am, is, are plus going to plus first form of verb. Example, you are going to meet her tomorrow. Now, where to use going to in simple future tense? First is future plans and intentions. For example, I am going to buy a new laptop computer next week. It is a future plan. Number 2, prediction based in what we can see at the moment. For example, look at the car. It is going to crash into the lamp post. Here, what we are observing at the particular moment, prediction is based on that. Another example with going to, it is going to rain. Now, simple present tense is also used for talking about the future, and that is based on official timetables. For example, hurry up, the train leaves in 2 hours. Next example, next term starts on 12th October. Here, simple present is used, but it indicates future tense. Now, present continuous tense can be used for talking about the future when it is people's plans or arrangements for the future. For example, I am going to the cinema tonight. We are playing cricket next Sunday. So this was all about simple future tense. Thank you.